Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, February 16 to 18, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have the northeast monsoon affecting Northern Luzon. That includes the Batanes and Babuyan group of islands. So a little bit chilly with some breezy conditions with winds that are up to 50 kph will prevail across the areas of Northern Luzon, particularly those facing the Philippine Sea or the coastal waters, and it will be rough and dangerous to small sea crafts. So watch out also for some drizzles to light showers to prevail across Northern Luzon. Meanwhile, the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain good, fair weather, with partly cloudy skies and isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening. So far, outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure area or any tropical cyclone formation for the next 5 to 10 days. And if we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. It's all clear across the western Pacific, and good weather across the Philippine Islands can be seen here as well. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, since this late afternoon, it looks like pleasant weather will continue to prevail across the Philippine Islands without any thunderstorm activity, and some cloudiness here with some light showers will be expected across Northern Luzon because of the northeast monsoon. And if we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Friday, by tomorrow afternoon, there's no significant rainfall expected across the Philippine Islands, but in some areas of Luzon, like the western sections, that includes Benguet and La Union, there could be some chances of isolated rain showers, and also across eastern Visayas and the portions of southern Tagalog provinces. And a possible shear line will bring some light showers as well across the eastern sections of northern Quezon, including Pulilio Island. And on Friday, there could be developing thunderstorms in the afternoon because of local convection here across Northern Luzon, although the northeast monsoon is already taking a break on Friday. So far, nothing serious for the next 3 days until Saturday, but expect some increasing cloudiness with thunderstorms across various sections of Mindanao, some isolated areas in the Visayas, and also across the mountainous region of Cordillera province of the Cordillera mountain range. And so far, that's the latest. And if you take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, it's quite dry across the Philippine Islands except for the eastern sections of Luzon, eastern Visayas, and some portions of eastern Mindanao because of the combination of the northeast monsoon, local convection as well along the areas of eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao. And before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook of the Climate Prediction Center, valid for the next 2 weeks since it's Wednesday once again. So here's the latest one for the next 2 weeks. So on week 1, valid February 16 to 22, we expect some normal climate conditions across the Philippine Islands except for the coastal areas of Soxigen and Davao del Sur. So these are the possible above average rainfall between February 16 to 22. But on the second week, between February 23 to March 1, the Philippine Islands from Bicol down to Mindanao, including Palawan, might have a moderate chance of a tropical cyclone formation, but it's not yet sure. So let's hope and pray that this won't happen. And that's it. That's the latest for this Wednesday, February 16, and we'll return on Friday to give you more updates. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.